Hello, today I will service the upper pickup roller of the scanner Kodak i4650 scanner. You can see I've already applied grease and oil to the parts of this roller, to the gears that are attached to this roller, and I'm going to replace it back the same way I removed it. You can see just clips inside. So if you want to know how I was able to remove it, it is very easy. Just with a screwdriver or any metal, you can just press down the hooks by the right hand side and the left hand side, and they come out easily. And if you're still finding it difficult, you can check my other videos. I have a video on how I was able to remove this particular pickup roller. So I've been able to oil it, and I'm going to clean out the excess oil on it. And there is one other part I will be applying oil to. You see this part is attached to this roller. You can see it's attached to this roller, so I'm going to be applying grease to it also, so that it can prevent any friction later in future. But first I want to brush out any excess oil or dirt that might be hanging around this particular roller. So I have my oil in my syringe as usual. If you've been following my other videos, you know I prefer to use syringe to be able to get oil into the hard to reach areas of this scanner. So I'm going to apply oil so as to lubricate it and prevent any form of friction at all. Remember to like and subscribe. I have a lot of videos detailing on how to service different parts of this scanner. So I'm going to apply oil again just to be sure that everything is moving freely. So you can just get, this is a regular liquid oil that you can get online or in your local store.